it's produce season, so we're gonna do another fruit forward snack, dessert, whatever you want to call it. Fruit pizza is one of my favorite treats, I guess you'd say. But the sugar cookie crust, everything, that can be a lot. And I've started looking for something similar to that, and I stumbled across this watermelon fruit pizza. So the watermelon will replace the crust, actually. To get started on our sauce is going to be a vanilla yogurt. So we'll add half a cup of yogurt. Next we add in a teaspoon of honey and a 1/4 teaspoon of vanilla. And I have washed this watermelon. This is something that I always like to stress, is that no matter what fruit or vegetable, you want to make sure you wash it. The watermelon is the exact same thing, because when you cut into it, any bacteria that's on the outside goes straight into the fruit that we're going to consume. So always take the time to wash your produce. Now take one of your thinner cuts, grab your yogurt sauce, and just spread it on. Now that the sauce is on, I've already cut up some fruit. You can select whatever you want. The recipe recommends strawberries and blackberries. Strawberries are cut into slices, and then the blackberries are cut in half. So you can choose whatever you want. It's your pizza. And I've selected some blueberries and some raspberries as well. So just build your pizza however you want it. And once you get that done, you can take it back to the cutting board and cut it into pieces. Since these are smaller, I'm going to guess they're probably going to be more along the lines of quarters. If you were doing a big pizza, then you would probably want to cut it into 6 or 8 pieces. Okay, back on the cutting board. So we'll just give this a couple of slices. Our fruit pizza is done. It's ready to enjoy. I hope you enjoy yours.